안녕하세요, 슈슈베리입니다. 네, 오늘은요, Read with me 2입니다. 그러면 오늘 읽을 책을 알아볼까요? 오늘 읽을 책은 I love my new toy입니다. 읽어볼까요? I love my new toy. Hi, Piggy. What are you doing? Look at my new toy. I love my new toy. What does it do? I have no idea. Maybe it is a drawing toy. I love drawing toys. Here, try it. Yes. Zip. Nice draw. Thanks. Here's comb. Zip. Break. I broke your toy. You broke my toy. My new toy. I am mad. And sad. I am mad and sad. I am sorry. You are sorry. Very sorry. I do not care. My new toy is broken. And you broke it. Cool. You have a break and snap toy. Snap. That is a fun toy. Enjoy. Break. Snap. Break. Snap. Do you want to play with my new toy? No. You do not want to play with my new toy? I do not want to play with your new toy. I want to play with you. Friends are more fun than toys. You're it. No, you are. 네, 오늘은 여기까지고요. 구독과 좋아요, 알림 설정까지 꾹꾹 누르는 거 잊지 마시고 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕.